Hello students, hope you are doing good. Myself Sandhya, your maths teacher. Welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to learn our first chapter, large numbers. Here is the concept map. Please have a look at it. In this chapter, we have 9 main topics. They are Indian place value system, face value and place value, comparing and ordering numbers, forming numbers, predecessor and successor, international place value system, rounding of numbers, Roman numerals, and comparing two systems. Children, are you familiar with any of these topics? Do you remember what are they? Yes, you have already learned all the topics 4, 5 and 6 digit numbers in 4th standard. Now we are going to learn all the topics for 7, 8 and 9 digit numbers. Let us start with Indian system of numeration. Look at the largest 7 digit number. It is 9 written 7 times. It is read as 99,99,999. Now add 1 to the number. What do you get? 1 followed by 7 zeros. This is known as 1 crore. It is the first and smallest 8 digit number. It is 1 more than 99,99,999. Therefore, 1 crore is the successor of the largest 7 digit number. In other words, the largest 7 digit number is the predecessor of the smallest 8 digit number. The largest 8 digit number has 8 nines in it. Add 1 to it. What do you get? 1 followed by 8 zeros. This number is known as 10 crore. It is the first and smallest 9 digit number. It is 1 more than the largest 8 digit number. Therefore, 10 crore is the successor of the largest 8 digit number. In other words, the largest 8 digit number is the predecessor of the smallest 9 digit number. Next is representation of 8 and 9 digit numbers using Indian system of numeration. The Indian system of numeration divides the digits of a number into 4 groups: ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Let us see how. Consider this number. We count 3 digits from the right and place a comma before 8. Then we count 2 more digits and place a comma before 5. We count 2 more digits and place a comma before 2. Thus we have 4 groups: ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. This is the Indian place value chart. Now let us read the number from left. It is 43 crore 27 lakh 56,819. Let us look at the Indian place value chart in detail. The ones group has 3 digits, 9, 1 and 8. Each of these digits have a specific place. They are ones, tens and hundreds. Similarly, thousands group has 2 digits, 6 and 5. Their places are thousands and 10,000s. The lakhs group has 2 digits, 7 and 2. Their places are lakhs and 10 lakhs. The last group, crores, also has 3 and 4. Their places are crores and 10 crores. Now we will learn face value and place value of a digit. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. See these examples. Face value of 7 in 78,654 is 7. Here 7 is in 10,000s place. Face value of 7 in 3,86,754 is also 7. Here 7 is in hundreds place. Face value of 7 in 86,54,047 is also 7. Here 7 is in ones place. Note, the face value does not change with the change in the place of the digit. Now let us understand place value. The place value of a digit in a numeral depends upon its position in the numeral. That is, place value is equal to face value into value of the place. I have taken the same numbers as examples to make it clear. Place value of 7 in 78,654. Here 7 is in 10,000's place. So, place value of 7 is equal to 7 into 10,000, that is equal to 70,000. Similarly, place value of 7 in 3,86,754 is equal to 700, that is 7 into 100. And place value of 7 in 86,54,047 is equal to 7, that is 7 into 1. Here 7 is in 1's place. Let us try to understand expanded form and short form of the numbers. Writing a number as a sum of the place values of its digits is called expanded form. For example, to expand the number 83 crore 60 lakh 65,892, we will write the place value of each digit with addition sign between them. So we can expand the numbers as 8 10 crores plus 3 crores plus 6 10 lakhs plus 0 lakh plus 6 10,000s plus 5 thousands plus 8 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 2 ones. We can write this numeral form also. Then it will become 80 crore plus 3 crore plus 60 lakh plus 0 plus 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 2. When we write a number using digits, the number is said to be in short form. For example, 8 10,000s plus 6 hundreds plus 6 tens plus 3 ones will be written as 80,663 in short form. Children, there is an easy way also to write the short form for the given expanded form. Simply arrange all the numbers vertically and add them. Let us learn how to compare two given numbers. The number having more digits is always greater than the number having less digits. For example, here two numbers are given for comparison. The first number is of 9 digits. The second one is of 8 digits. As first number has more digits, so it is the bigger number. When the number of digits in two numerals is same, then follow these steps. A. First compare the leftmost digits in both numerals. B. If they are equal, then compare second digit from the left. C. Continue the process until unequal digits occur at any corresponding place. Thus, the number having greater such digit is the greater of the two given numbers. In the given table, you can see two numbers for comparison. Both the numbers are of 8 digits. The leftmost digit, that is crores place, are equal. Digits in 10 lakhs place and lakhs place are also equal. When we compare the digit in 10,000's place, the number has 9 and the second number has 7. It's clear? 9 is greater than 7. We need not to compare the remaining part now. We can simply say 5 crore 64 lakh 98,704 is greater than 5 crore 64 lakh 76,705. Now we will discuss order of numbers. First is ascending order. The order of the numbers in which the numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest. Next is descending order. The order of the numbers in which the numbers are arranged from greatest to smallest. By applying the rules of comparison, we can arrange the order of the numbers. In the first example, Some numbers are given to arrange in ascending order. Let us count the number of digits in all the numerals. The first is of 7 digits, second number has 8 digits, third number has 9 digits, fourth number is of 8 digits, and the last number is of 7 digits. So while arranging in ascending order, the numbers with 7 digits will come first. So let us compare them. The numbers are 45,36,890 and 85,94,563. In this, 45,36,890 will be smaller and the first number. The second number will be 85,94,563. Next we will compare the numbers with 8 digits. They are 6,88,45,745 and 6,45,45,745. Between this, 6,45,45,745 is smaller. So it will be the third number, and 6,88,45,745 is the fourth number. And now we are left with the number which has the maximum digits, that is 9-digit number. The number is 95,63,78,017. So it will be the last number in the series. Same way, while arranging the numbers in descending order, we will first count the number of digits in each number. Then, starting from the largest number, we will proceed towards the smallest. Now let us learn successor and predecessor of a number. Successor. Successor of a number is one more than the number. Let us take the number 38,26,940. To get successor of this number, we should add 1 to it. So the answer is 38,26,941. Next is predecessor. Predecessor of a number is 1 less than the number. Here, same number we are taking as example, 38,26,940. To get the predecessor of this number, we should subtract 1 from it. So the answer is 38,26,939. Children, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed and understood the topic what we learned today. Please do watch again and refer your textbook also. Before concluding, let us do a quick recap. What all did we learn today? We learned Indian system of numeration, place value and face value, comparing and ordering numbers, successor and predecessor. Children, listen. You will be receiving notification on homework, class notes, assessment, worksheet, etc. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.